This four-wheeler's been sitting for probably 3 months. It won't start. During the summer, it always started, ran fine, but we rode it more often. I know this time of year a lot of people leave their power sports sit and they don't get run, so I'm going to show you what to do to get them started. This one, you can turn the key, put the choke on, crank and crank and crank, and it's a no start. So what I did was I took the cover off the air box, which is back here. You probably won't be able to see it. I'm just going to spray a little bit of brake parts cleaner in there. Hopefully that'll help it start. I know it's getting fuel. I opened the screw on the bottom of the carburetor down there, and fuel came out. So I know we're getting fuel. So we're going to try this. If this doesn't work, we'll pull the spark plug and take a look at it. Now the choke is broken on here, so I'm going to have to hold it up. So I'm going to have to set the camera down. Alright, once I pulled the choke up, held it, hit the starter, it fired right up. I'm going to leave it run for a little bit. Hopefully let all that old gas sitting in the carburetor burn off, and then it'll run good. Thanks for watching.